how to make the front end thing, and I'm gonna just change my background color. It's not looking good. I got this new color. It's a light pinkish color thing, and today we are gonna see about how to add validation. For this, we are gonna use a JavaScript library known as Parsley or Parsley JS, whatever. Parsley JS. Presley, okay, it's Presley or Parsley. So it's a very good JavaScript front-end validation system. It has inbuilt tons of built-in validators. You can use that. It's very dynamic also. It's like it validates your form on change function. So let us grab that. I've already grabbed that and I've pasted this link in the bottom of my body tag. Yeah, right there. So we're gonna start off with a simple function. So it's the function I have written here. It's a function, and it says that when the form gets submitted, here I have defined my ID. In the last video we had defined a ID for our form, which is gonna help us right now. And on Parsley, on field validated function were okay, and this is the bunch of things you have to add to get it validated. You can see the reference or the documentation of that video, or the documentation of the Parsley JavaScript front-end framework. And there's a special thing here. You can see two classes, that is toggle classes ICR okay, not okay, and hash a toggle class ICR okay. What does it say is that when you have an error, show this one, and when you don't have an error, show this one. And we're gonna see this what these two IDs mean. And I'm gonna take this to the up, yeah, right here, and I'm gonna make a shortcode there, and I'm gonna write parsley errors. Okay, you can see this. Yes, the ID with S is a success kind of thing that shows yeah man, all good and everything is going well, and the E1 is showing the error kind of thing. So it's gonna, like the toggle, it can toggle classes. And on some form submit function return false, because as we are doing in the AJAX kind of thing, it should return false for our purposes. And let's try that. So I'm gonna press submit without filling the forms. Oh, it's gonna show us very nicely. Oh snap, something is missing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some spacing here to the bottom, so that it's gonna look something still better, or whichever you like. You can edit that. Okay, I'm gonna add, okay, I'm gonna reload that, and you have to define it is important. Yeah, that's what is much important in this belief. Yeah, it's working. It has given 1.6. Yeah. Oh snap, something is missing. Or if you don't need to do this, you can just add a p tag and a br tag simultaneously, or one below the another, and it's gonna add a nice thing. But yeah, I think it should be here. Okay, sorry for that. It's here. Now it's gonna add up. Yeah, it's there. It's right there. And you can change the error message box to anywhere you can want. So I'm gonna take that, copy that there, and I'm gonna place that above this form. So above this form, that means above our Parsley form. So I'm gonna write there, I'm gonna just copy there. So I'm gonna copy the same offsets, because it should have the same length, so that it looks nice. Okay, yeah, and now we'll see how does it look. Yeah, it's, oh snap, something is missing. And I'm gonna add margin top 1 EM. That's gonna make damn good. It's loading. Yeah, it kind of takes some time, some to rebuild the cage and all, and yeah, it's working. This can define it as important for us. Okay, it's ICR, so it's not ICR, so I'm gonna divide. I'm gonna place some IDE. Yeah, sorry, I should be doing that because yeah, let me just undo it. Yeah, now I'm gonna put that as margin top. Now I'm gonna define it as 1 EM and important. Now it's gonna work for sure. Yeah, there's a 1 EM spacing for that given there. Or you still wanna get that, you can just decrease it to 2 EM or increase it to 2 EM, and you have to decrease this one here to 1 EM. So I just reload that, just press it. Yeah, oh snap, something is missing, and it shows this value is required, this value is required, this value is required, and I just fill that. You have to see that. Yeah, it shows the green color here. That shows it's like, yeah, everything is good, and some message here also. Yeah, okay. Yeah, all good man, it's showing a all good man, and you can change the font and some kind of like that. And if I just press this, hey app, yeah, that's gonna do well right now. And this was about the form validation. In the next video series, we'll be looking out how to create an AJAX call and our PHP script to send a mail function. You can use the PHP mail library, or the if you just make it simple, you can use the PHP inbuilt mail function for your emails. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and at the end of the web series I'll be doing a giveaway of this code, and if you still want to buy that, you can buy this in our Facebook shop, DeThinker guy /shop. Thank you guys. Yeah, see ya, bye.